Talent without discipline is like an octopus on roller skates. There's plenty of movement, but you never know if it's going to be forward, backwards, or sideways. Quoted by someone. Discipline is that concept everyone is aware of, but few truly understand, and for everyone, lack of this ability can have disastrous results also. Good morning to everyone present here. This is Minakshi Chaudhary from class 8. My dear friends, we are the master of our destiny, the creator of our life. The single most important attribute to becoming successful is discipline. Discipline is a word that implies a great meaning in everyone's life. It is a way of being honest, hardworking, motivated, and encouraged throughout the life. This important behavior is essential for success in students' life because education is not completed without discipline. Dear friends, my topic is discipline and students' life. Discipline helps students in keeping control so that they can attain their objectives and gain success in each field of their life. How discipline works for a student? If we do not discipline and waste all the precious time in doing unnecessary things, we will not get success. It is important to set the proper timetable and do things according to that. If we do not stay disciplined, it becomes hard for us to stay focused on our studies. Discipline is a way to stay motivated. If we do not stay in the discipline, we will not have self-control. We will become careless. When we will stay in the discipline, we will also encourage other students of our class to be disciplined as well. So it's clear that the more disciplined we become, the easier life gets. Discipline is the foundation of a successful and happy life. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.